Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, Nafisa with Faria. Please raise your hand. Nafisa and Faria, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wait. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Good everyone. Evening and to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our sir for giving me this chance. Today I am going to speak about online.
Shabash. Faria.
Ji, assalamu alaikum, sir. I speak offline shopping.
Okay. Why do you still waste time? Shops. Online shopping is so easy. Just one click and your order is delivered to your home.
But how can you trust it? Sometimes products are different from the picture in offline shopping. I can check the size, color, and quality before I buy.
Yes, that's true. But online shopping gives more options. You can find thousands or products, even rare things not available in your city.
Options are good, but offline shopping gives confidence. I don't need to worry about wrong size or fake products.
Oh, online shopping also gives a bigger discount, festival offers, and free delivery. It saves money.
Maybe, but don't forget delivery charges, late delivery, or return problems. In offline shopping, I pay and immediately take my products home.
Oh, busy people don't have time to go to market. Online shopping saves energy, avoids traffic, and is open 24 into 7.
But shopping is not just buying things, it's also an experience going with family, bargaining, trying clothes, and enjoying food in the market and fun. Is fun.
During lockdowns and emergencies, online shopping helped everyone. It delivered medicines and grocery safely.
Yes, but sometimes delivery people couldn't reach villages in small towns. Local shops were more reliable. Offline shopping supports small shopkeepers.
I agree. Offline is important for local economy, but online shopping is the future. It uses technology, saves time, makes life modern.
Maybe, but offline shopping will never end. People still love the personal touch, trust, and face to face buying.
Okay, I agree. Offline has its charm, but for rare or special items, online shopping is the best choice.
Yes, maybe both are useful. We should choose according to our need. That's why I like offline shopping more than online shopping. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, माशाल्लाह. अच्छा भाई. Great. क्या बात है. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं दोनों बच्चे. नफीसा एंड फारिया बहुत स्पोक अमेजिंग माशाल्लाह. दोनों बच्चे बहुत अच्छा बोले हैं और बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ बोले हैं. शाबाश. कंटिन्यू वर्किंग हार्ड. मजीद और मेहनत करेंगे और खूबसूरती आएगी बाबू. शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बोले हैं. सोबिया एंड आमना.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम
जी
अस्सलाम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर। माय टॉपिक इज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग।
ऑनलाइन.
My topic is online, sir.
ऑनलाइन आपकी भी.
Yes.
बेटी रुको, एक एक को म्यूट कर दीजिए.
सर मुझे मत कीजिए, मेरे बच्चों के अरबी से आने का टाइम हो चुका है, प्लीज।
ओके ओके, आपको सोबिया को रहने दीजिए. उनको बुलाइए. सिमरन आओ बेटी. टॉपिक. ओके, दैट्स फाइन. Talk to her. Speak a bit louder,
Assalam,
Simran.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and I'm very excited, and I will be so grateful to be part of this group of discussion. Assalamu alaikum, my dear sister.
Simran, your voice is very low, Babu.
Hello, I'm audible.
Sobia, give the answer.
Yes,
I'm
sister.
audible.
Yes, sister. Assalamu alaikum, sister.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, my dear sister, please, whatever you say, calmly. Okay.
Yes, I'm here to speak on offline shopping. You say.
सर आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है मेरी।
अब वो मुझे भी नहीं आ रही बेटी। हाँ
सर
सिमरन
किसी और
आप,
को।
हाँ सिमरन आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटी, रूही को बुलाइए।
Yes, sir. Online shopping.
अच्छा आपकी भी ऑनलाइन है? ये तो ऑनलाइन ऑनलाइन वाले इकट्ठे होते, ऑफलाइन कौन करेगा? लेकिन मैंने तो आपको वैसे तकसीम किया था, ऐसे कैसे हो गए 3 बच्चे की ऑनलाइन वाले ही? कैसे करें हम? सोबिया के साथ कोई बच्चा जो बोल चुका है पहले, वो बोलना चाहता है ऑफलाइन की तरफ से? लिखो या मैसेज में बताइए कौन है।
सर प्लीज 5 मिनट्स दे दीजिए मुझे।
हाँ बेटी कोई आ ही नहीं रहा है ऑफलाइन बोलने के लिए। अच्छा नाजिया को बुलाइए, चलिए नाजिया बोलेंगे ऑफलाइन, चलिए शाबाश। नाजिया प्लीज।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू सर।
हाँ प्लीज सोबिया, here is नाजिया। नाजिया speak about offline।
ओके सर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सुबिया।
invite सोबिया। आइए बाबू। सोबिया खान। ऑफलाइन रोजी को बुलाइए। रोजी आप आइए। अच्छा लेकिन हाँ ऑफलाइन के लिए तो नाजिया ऑलरेडी है, तो नाजिया के साथ उनको बुलाइए। अच्छा जाकिरा का क्या टॉपिक है? ऑनलाइन आमना का है, तो आमना को बुलाइए। आमना।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हाँ बेटे इनको बुलाइए। नाजिया बाबू, ये
जी
जाकिरा बोली नहीं थी, इनको बुला रहा हूँ। ना बेटी आपको अगर
जी
बोलनी हो तो बुला लो।
ओके।
जाकिरा को बुलाइए जी। जाकिरा प्लीज।
Assalamualaikum, sir. Thanks for giving me this opportunity for debate. Assalamualaikum, dear sister.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। बस मैं स्टार्ट द टॉपिक, माय टॉपिक।
Yeah, sure.
First of all, I would say that online shopping is more convenient because it also saves our time. We can shop anytime and anywhere. We are, well, suppose we are in home and we can shop from our home in online shopping. On the other hand, we have to go outside by to
One
do
second, dear.
offline. जी
My topic is also online shopping, sir.
एक मिनट रुकना भाई दोनों बच्चों। अच्छा ऑफलाइन आपकी ऑनलाइन है बाबू जाकिरा?
Yes, sir.
अरे मेरे बेटे जब सब ऑनलाइन ही बोलोगे तो ऑफलाइन कौन बोलेगा?
Because online is better than offline, sir.
अच्छा हाँ तो मुझी से डिबेट कर रही है बेटी। हाँ हाँ भाई वो बच्चा हो जो ऑफलाइन वाला है कौन है? अभी इनको जाकिरा को रोकी है। हाँ देखिए इसमें शमसुल है क्या क्लास में? हाँ बुलाइए इनको। जी शमसुल इस्लाम।
यस सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
अच्छा आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं इस क्लास में?
सर मैं तो इंग्लिश 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 टू इंग्लिश टॉकिंग में ज्वाइन होना था, आज से जो शुरू होने वाला था। मैं
अरे तो भाई साहब इसमें क्या कर रहे हो? आपको लिंक भेज तो दिया मैंने पर्सनल।
नहीं सर, वो ग्रुप पे नंबर नहीं है, लिंक तो एक लिंक है।
मोबाइल दीजिएगा बेटा। आपने इस वक्त जो क्लास ज्वाइन की है कौन से लिंक से की है?
वो न्यू 9 PM बॉयज से।
अरे
I
वहां से
would say
क्यों
that
की है
the
मेरे अजीज?
online shopping is more
ये
convenient.
यहाँ से करी, ये मैंने आपको पर्सनल भेजा है लिंक। अब दोबारा देखो मैंने भेजा है, इससे
जी जी
ज्वाइन कीजिए मेरे अजीज, ठीक है?
जी जी जी।
हाँ बेहतर।
Better fit, especially for clothes and shoes. You can try them. No shipping charges. You don't have to pay extra charge for delivery, and the easy.
जी अरे बच्चों कैसे करना है अब? जब तो ऑनलाइन ही ऑनलाइन वाले हैं। सिमरन को बुलाइए।
Yes, sir.
ना बेटी अब तो चला अब आवाज आई। आमना को बुलाइए ऊपर से। आमना।
जी sir.
प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, sister.
Walaikum assalam.
May I start my topic or you will start?
Yes, okay.
First of all, I would say that online shopping is more convenient because we can shop anytime and anywhere because anytime and anywhere without stepping outside. And
Zakira.
I'm here to speak on offline shopping. According to offline shopping is much better than first of all small shopping merchants shopkeeper there in India. They were open the shop. We are people for purchase.
I didn't understand what you said.
I say you offline shopping is much better than online shopping.
But why
Why?
it is much better?
Give the
Because
reason.
um, because the pro the pro because the we can touch the clothes and check the quality, so when we purchase the offline.
But online shopping also provides the detail of the product, and we can also return if it it rarely happens that the product is damaged, but still if the product come damaged, then we can return, and it also provides us refund policy, while the offline shopping don't provide refund policy. They said that we will exchange the product but don't
No,
refund your money.
sister, you are going to shop any shop, and you touch the clothes, and you are try the at that time, and you are purchase not not you are not you are
Shabash, shabash.
you can't wear, but you touch the cloth, and at that time you wear, and looking like good and bad you see at that time,
Yes,
and
of
you
course.
purchase at that time, not 7 days policy and it all.
Yes, of course, it is more immediate, but still, the offline shopping also provides us detail. By chance, if product is damaged, so we can return also, and get our money also.
There is many online shop that is fake. You order something like that, and you give that, and you take other dress, and so many problems in dresses, because size and fabric and it all.
So
And
we
it was
also
not
have
written policy. Some cloths and some other grocery, like
if in this case we can
sister, my friend is purchased a shoes, and wear after 7 days return policy. Okay, and she is wearing these shoes, and after 7 days, after 6 days, she is return shoes.
yes. So
That shopkeeper laws in offline online shopping.
yes, so it is
And
the shopkeeper's problem.
humanities, some people are behavior is
Are not
good,
honest.
some people are behavior is so weird. And my question is that they are very beggar people in India. Okay, and they are begging, and they are not fulfill the basic needs, and buying clothes, they are buying clothes roadside, and there is shopkeeper provided less money offline shopping.
Yes, sister,
How to
but
do order, and they have no
Yes,
mobile phone,
Simran.
they have no internet, they have no anything, they have no recharge, they have because they are prefer for offline shopping.
अब मेरी बेटी सिमरन, लेट हर गेट अ चांस, उसको भी बोलने दीजिए आप. हाँ चलो. यस.
but in offline shopping we have variety of choices, like thousands of colors and different type of stores. We can shop only from one store and only in one platform. We can choose our favorite color and our favorite style, and even the style we want. We can shop anything from only one store.
Um, but quality is not good sometimes.
Sister, but this sometimes happens that quality is not good. It happens very rarely. But if it is not good, we can defend it now. And it also saves our time, because in offline shopping we shop for the whole day and get tired and get exhausted. But in online shopping we have to just sit and we have to just click, and the product will be delivered to our
Sir,
doorstep.
but non-educated people are prefer offline shopping because they have no phone and they are not using phone because they do not order and cancellation even phone pay and yes they are not using phone pay because payment method is not good they are not using phone pay and they are not phone pay.
But we can
They
also
are not phone pay.
if we don't have phone pay, so we can there is also option of cash on delivery, so we can
Some
pay cash.
yes, but they do not order how to order because
Ah,
because they are uneducated.
now this generation is enough educated to use mobile,
I'm not
is
saying
educated
about
enough
the
to use
generation.
mobile.
I'm saying about
The uneducated people
yes
now. But
all
uneducated people
people.
are educated enough nowadays that they can use even mobile. Now everyone can use mobile, even the older persons, so they can shop easily on online.
I'm asking about senior citizens because they have no they will they have no available persons. They do ordered in cancellation because senior citizens prefer on offline shopping and they are going to market and bargaining and give clothes and it all.
But uh, about bargaining, there is also options in online that they provide some coupons and some offers also in Diwali, and on Eid they also provide some offers also and discounts,
Yeah,
and
it's
also provides even regular sales, so we can don't have the issue of bargaining. And also we can shop the products internationally from all over the world in online shopping, while the we don't have these type of styles in our markets, and we can shop internationally in online stores.
okay, you are right, but offline shopping is much better than online shopping because we are going to market and we are watch and touch and items and we can purchase.
uh,
Of online order online orders is sometime not sometime not good. Some website are fake and some I have a online shop, but so many people are you give
if any
you give right clothes and right right
if any
right
online.
clothes and
Yes.
not make
Yes,
there
yes.
is no problem issue and then some people are create issue and return.
So we also have options of review, to see the review and comment of the people who already buy that product, so we can see that reviews and comments to get the more information about the product.
No, I'm not asking. I'm not talking about defects. I'm just talking about I ordered
Fake.
something. No. I ordered something. Sometimes some things, but I don't like. So I create one big kind of things, fake things, and returned. It is not possible in offline because you can buy at the time at the thing and you can completely done your payment.
Oh, so we can. Mm, well, I didn't understand actually what you said.
ओके बेटा, अच्छा है माशाल्लाह। अच्छा बोली दोनों, बहुत अच्छी तैयारी के साथ आई बेटे। आमना आप भी, और सिमरन आप भी बेटी, माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा बोली दोनों बच्चियां। और बहुत अच्छे से चीजों का एक्सप्लेन किया माशाल्लाह। अच्छा बेटी, शाबाश, ऐसी मेहनत करिएगा। ओके, सोबिया को बुलाइए भाई। सोबिया, व्हाट्स योर टॉपिक बाबू?
ऑनलाइन सर, सॉरी सर।
ऑनलाइन कोई बात नहीं। देखिए, ऑफलाइन के किसी बच्चे ने, क्या फातिमा है शायद, वो फातिमा हो बेटी। जाकिर, आपका तो ऑनलाइन है ना? ऑफलाइन की बात हो रही है। ऑफलाइन वाली बच्ची, देखिए मैसेज था किसी का भी। हाँ, ये कौन? सईदा फातिमा, बुलाइए। प्लीज।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
ओके सोबिया, टॉक टू हिम, टॉक टू हर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
अस्सलाम
सोबिया।
वालेकुम। Walaikum assalam, my dear sister. Sister, please, whatever you say, calmly. Okay.
Okay, I will try my
So
best.
my topic is online shopping.
Okay.
Okay. And I know, what did you think about offline shopping?
Offline shopping is the best option, because of the quality we can touch, and we can visit the stores, and we can check the quality. We don't need to share any our personal details. Other than online, we have to share our bank details, we have to share our personal details, our home address, so we are safe here by offline. What about you?
क्या पॉइंट है भाई, माशाल्लाह।
But sister, nowadays every person is living a digital life, and personal information is personal.
That's not a guarantee, right?
He didn't see another, sister.
Sorry, your voice break.
He didn't see another information. Okay. Online, okay, sister. Online shopping is a method of purchasing good using the internet, and online shopping reduce market fraud, and save our money and time.
Yeah, you are giving the right options, but this all are option for the busy life, who are who are busy in their life. But that's not a good option, because there are a lots of issues by online. Let's count the issues, like if we buy any clothes, there are the stitching and fitting issues, size issues, so we have to return it. It will take 2 to 3 days, or maybe a 7 days. So if it is not the same size what we want, then we have to just they will refund us, so we don't have that much time to give this much days. So what offline give us the option, we can go, we can stitch, we can go to the tailor, give the correct size, and on the time we can have our dress, and on our whatever function it is, we are ready for it. But online we don't have that option. We
Okay,
have to
Sophia, give
wait
the
for it.
answer.
Yes, I agree, sister, with you. But I agree sometimes are different or damage products and is delivery in online shopping, right? But we can exchange and return if if we don't want the product, money is also refunded, sister.
Yes, dear, it refunded. I totally agree, but it will take time. It will take days to return policy, right? But in offline, we don't. We can do immediately, right? We can go to the visit again in the night, afternoon, or some other day. Next day, then we can have the exchange.
Yes, sister.
We don't have
But
to wait.
this, popular sites, for example, like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc., are some famous sites of online shopping. And the most important thing is that we can shopping from everything.
Exactly. At one place you can shop everything. But what about it? It is a one app, but there are different websites in it. That's not a true website. There are a lots of fraud over there. So when we do online shopping on another like in Amazon, we buy some dress from there is different websites are there. So the websites are frauded. Amazon is the good, but in Amazon there is a different website. So what that one picture showed and one item different is ordered getting. So that's a main issue. And the one more thing I want to give you the best point of this. There's a money issue. Like we have to transfer our details, we have to share our pin code, as it's not a good at all nowadays.
Sophia, do you have
Yes,
any
sister.
answer?
Yes. Yes, sister. For example, in offline shopping, we can shopping only our country. Yeah. When, for
Yes.
example, when we go to the market to buy suit, the shopkeeper only 4 or 5 suits show, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And where in online shopping we could to see unlimited suit, every size, every color is available.
Fatima, give the
Yeah.
answer to this
Yes,
point.
exactly. You can have variety of options to choose the color to size to any kind of, but in offline there is a not option. We have to go to the only one shop and buy the ladies one, then another shop with the boys, and another shop with the kids. But the best quality we can get. We can't take a risk. The online we have to take a risk. Okay, this dress is like good, okay, we have to order it, and then see it is good or not. The size issue, they are showing some size and we are getting some different size, so that's not a good thing. So in offline we can visit directly and we can do the stitching over there, and we can give the correct, we can take a correct size and we can come back at a moment only.
But sister, online shopping has many exciting discount offers and coupons which save money.
Exactly, we can save money, but what about offline? There are also offers, they are giving us that bargaining option as well. So I think offline is the best thing, better than
And
the online.
vegetables and grocery are delivered in just 10 minutes from mart near us.
Exactly, but yeah, yeah, this
And
is.
most important, online shopping is available 24 hours and 7 days.
Yeah, I am totally agree on this point. Where we are as a housewives, we have to get at a moment. If we don't have any item at home, the online shop is better than in this क्या बोलना चाहिए, in this grocery type grocery.
No, sister.
Okay.
In
चलिए, अच्छा बच्चों, सोफिया एंड सईदा फातिमा बहुत स्पोक वेल। दोनों बच्चे अच्छा बोले हैं माशाल्लाह, और दोनों ही तैयारी के साथ भी आए थे। अच्छा है। जाकिरा को बुलाइए। टॉपिक
ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग
आपकी तो आवाज भी बहुत जोरदार आ रही है।
ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग
अब बाबू, आपकी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम लगती है।
हेलो
जी
जी सर, आई एम अवेलेबल।
आवाज नहीं आ रही बाबू आपकी। भाई मुझे नहीं आ रही बच्चों, आपको भी नहीं आ रही, जरा बता दीजिए कमेंट में, बच्ची को पता चल जाएगा। देखो खालिद लिख रहे हैं नो नो नो, 3 बार लिखा है उन्होंने, यानी बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही। ओके। हाँ, बहरहाल बच्चों, आप लोगों ने माशाल्लाह काफी बच्चों ने इस पे अच्छी से तैयारी की। अब कुछ हमारे टॉपिक ऐसा है जो बाकी है। उसे भी हम कंप्लीट करते चलेंगे। कुछ टॉपिक्स हमारे जो है पढ़ने के हैं, ठीक है, उनको कंप्लीट करना भी बाकी है। और बाकी आप लोग असल मेहनत अपनी बढ़ाएं। आपके जो अपने पार्टनर्स हैं उनके साथ बात कीजिए और कम्युनिकेशन में सुधार लाइए। कम्युनिकेशन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो बोलने से आती है बाबू, ठीक है, सुनने से भी आती है, ऐसा नहीं है सुनने से नहीं आती, लेकिन बोलना बोलने से आता है। अच्छा, सुनने से भी अंग्रेजी आती है, कभी आप सोचें कि सुनने से कुछ नहीं आता है, ठीक है। अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्किल अलग होती है इंसान की। कभी कभी इंसान से अपनी बात कह तो लेता है, सामने वाला जब अंग्रेजी में बोलता है तो उसकी समझ में नहीं आता क्या बोल दिया उसने। इसका मतलब ये है कि लिसनिंग स्किल और अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्किल अलग चीज़ है, तो वो सुना भी कीजिए आप, ठीक है, इसलिए सुनना भी चाहिए। बोलना तो है ही आपको, सुनना भी जरूरी है ना। फातिमा आओ बेटी, इनवाइट प्लीज। फातिमा, आपका माइक तो खुला हुआ है बाबू।
हाँ, sorry, sir. Sir, I want to share you my happiness with you, as I forget to share it last time. Uh, I was blessed with a baby girl last month, and
माशाल्लाह, congratulations।
thank you, Jazakallah khair. And one more thing, just now I prepared this offline topic as I see there is so many girls with the online, so I just changed my topic and I just prepared for offline.
माशाल्लाह, मेरी बेटी गजब। देखिए कितनी अच्छी बात है ना, एक बच्चा तैयारी दूसरे पे करके आया, लेकिन सोचा कि यार चलो इस पर नहीं, ये अपने अंदर आप लाई ये बात। बहुत
Thank you
अच्छा है
so
बाबू,
much,
आप
sir.
अच्छी बच्ची है माशाल्लाह। अच्छा है, ऐसी मेहनत करती रही है बाबू, शाबाश। अंसार को बुलाइए, क्या करें बाबू। अंसार, आज तो
अस्सलाम
आप
वालेकुम
नात,
वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
आपको नातवाद भी नहीं हो भाई आज यार, अपनी है मेरे भाई।
टाइम तो खत्म हो गया था ना।
हाँ बाबू,
टाइम
टाइम
इज
खत्म हो।
एंड।
जी प्लीज
सर मैं
बताइए।
ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि वो जो मारूफ और मजहूल जो अफ़ाल होते हैं, तो अंग्रेजी में कुछ है क्या मजहूल के किस तरह से इस्तेमाल करने के जो तरीके कायदे?
हाँ बाबू, मजहूल की बहस ही पढ़ाऊंगा आपको मैं मंडे से।
अच्छा।
उसी को कह रहा था, टॉपिक से रह रहे हैं कुछ। पेसिव वॉइस इंशाल्लाह आपको मंडे से अल्लाह ना चाहा स्टार्ट
जी,
रहेगा, ठीक है बाबू।
थैंक यू सर।
बेहतर है। चलिए बच्चों, मिलते हैं, सलाम अलैकुम।